I'm Pinak Chatterjee, a PGDM student at International Management Institute, Kolkata, majoring in marketing and minoring in analytics. During my summer internship at ICICI Bank, I worked on a project that was aligned to marketing research, strategy, and economics. For data collection and bringing out statistical inferences, I used tools like Microsoft Excel, SPSS, and for visualization and further analysis, I used Power BI. This project required strategic thinking for the expansion analysis and meeting the customer requirements by aligning the product features. This experience allowed me to apply all the concepts that I learned during the coursework of my first year of PGDM, such as understanding repo rates, trade balances, and its impact on global banking operations. Me interning at ICICI Bank was an eye-opener. This helped me bridge the gap between the concepts and theories learned during classes and utilizing the same in the practical world. Thank you, International Management Institute, Kolkata, for giving me this opportunity where I honed my skills in the field of research, analysis, and strategy.